Here's a pair of the JBL 770NC Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to put this in pairing mode, how to connect using a multi-point connection where you connect two devices, as well as how to factory reset, okay? So first thing is, let's go ahead and pair to one of the devices here, okay? So let's go ahead and turn these on first. You got a power button here. Let me press and hold for a few seconds. Just wait until it just said power on. And I can see a blue blinking light here indicating it's in pairing mode, all right? That's because I haven't connected to any devices, okay? So let's first connect to my iPhone here, all right? And of course you can connect to a TV or a computer or whatnot, but anyway, I'm gonna go to settings here, Bluetooth settings. I'm gonna go to Bluetooth here. It's in pairing mode. There's a blue blinking light right there. So let me go scroll down under other devices. You can see that little spinny thing is searching for devices in pairing mode, okay? This is in pairing mode. It found the JBL 770NC. So let's tap on that first, and we're going to connect. There you go. So now we are connected to my iPhone, okay? So let's say now I want to connect to my TV or my Android phone, okay? In order to do that, I can either, because I'm already paired to my iPhone here, I can go to my Bluetooth pairing list on my iPhone and I can unpair it or forget this device, get rid of it. Once I do that, this will automatically go into pairing mode. However, if I want to just connect to both of them, do a multi-point connection, then all I got to do is just tap the power button twice, okay? So they're currently on. Let me tap the power button twice. 1, 2. Pairing. Now it says pairing. Now it's blinking blue again. It's in pairing mode. Now we can connect to this device. So on this device here, it's an Android phone, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. We're going to go to the Bluetooth settings here. Going to go to connections. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Let's tap on Bluetooth. And now under available devices, we want to wait till it finds it. It's still in the pairing mode. It did find it, 770NC, the JBL. So let's tap on that. We should get a pairing request on an Android phone. Tap on pair. And it says connected, and you can see it says connected right there. And see the volume rocker is working. So now what we're doing is a multi-point connection, okay? So I'm connected to an iPhone and an Android phone. So if I use this phone, let's say to go on YouTube or listen to music, it'll come out of here. But if I put this phone down and jump on here, it's all automatically connect. And once I listen to audio or YouTube video, the audio will come out of here. That's a multi-point connection. Now, let's say I'm having issues with the headphones. One side's working, one side's not, one side's lower volume, it's disconnecting, it's delayed audio, or any kind of connecting problems. We can factory reset these, okay? So let's go and factory reset these, okay? So first thing is just make sure they're turned on, and we're going to factory reset without using the app, okay? We're going to do a hard reset just using the hard keys, okay? So just make sure it's on, and next thing we're going to do is we're going to press and hold two buttons here to do the factory reset. Is the plus and the minus, volume up, volume down. Press and hold both at the same time. Keep holding until we get a blue blinking light indicating it's in pairing mode again. So they're currently on, volume up, volume down, ready, set, go. Press and hold, keep holding, like for 10 seconds or so, just wait. It said power off. Keep holding now. Power on. It said pairing, and it's in pairing mode. So now we just factory reset these. Now, the thing is, let's say you wanted to go ahead and connect back to your iPhone, okay? So if I'm back up here under Bluetooth, remember I was connected to both of these phones before, and you can see I still have JBL Tune. That was it. Now, in order for me to connect back to this, I have to click on the Bluetooth settings, click on the I for information. For an iPhone, I want to forget this device. Android phone is like unpair. A TV might it be like remove or delete. So I just removed it, okay? And it's still in the pairing mode. So now we should see it pop up down here, but I think the scan took too long. Let me just turn the Bluetooth off, turn it back on so it can rescan. And we're still in the pairing mode. You can see the blue blinking light there. And voila, I found it right there, 770NC. And I'm connected back, and there you go. And of course, I would have to do the same thing with the Android phone to unpair it after the you do the factory reset. Then you want to go ahead and take it off the pairing list to reconnect. There you go. Any questions or issues, just comment below.